My dear comrades, on this 22nd May 2020, Central Trade Unions jointly had given a call to observe a national protest day on this day against the anti-labor policies of the central government. They are deducting one day salary for the Prime Minister's care fund, which is run by a trust, not by the Prime Minister himself. And in addition to that, in this corona period, they had freezed the DA for the coming 18 months. This will affect the workers as well as the pensioners badly. In addition to that, they are trying to impose anti-labor policies through cancelling so many trade union laws and making it into 4 codes. And in these codes, they are very liberal to the corporates to exploit the workers, and the working hours will be increased from 8 hours to 12 hours. And DRU appreciate the railwaymen, how they are patriotic in an urgent situation to carry out emergency equipments and essential items like rice, wheat and petroleum products. DRU had demanded the railway minister to honor these employees by declaring a honorarium or special increment, and also like health workers and police force 50 lakhs rupees insurance to be provided the open line staff and other staff working in connection with the movement of essential commodities. But the government is not bothered about the working class of the railways of this country. We felt very well the necessity of opposing privatization during this period. Immediately after the declaration by the central government to run workers special to carry the guest workers from southern states to Bihar, Bengal, UP, the very same day, railway had done the work by inaugurating 5 workers special towards Bihar and Bengal side. And on behalf of DRU Central Committee, we appreciate the railway workers for running the trains in this period and also converting the coaches for isolation wards, and also railway workers contributed to the exchequer through PM Care Fund and also to the respective state governments, Chief Minister's Relief Fund, and also they had made lakhs of masks to supply to according to the requirement of railway workers, public and the guest workers. So DRU had demanded a honorarium to these workers, and also DRU had demanded to take back and abolish the 18 months DA freeze, which will affect badly the serving employees and as well as the retired employees. And instead of giving this honorarium and insurance cover like health workers and police in different parts of Southern Railway, some supervisors and some officers are not ready to obey the orders of the CPO, CRB, Railway Minister and Senior DPO. And people were crying for their life. Life is more important than job. Even then, so many railway workers came voluntarily to continue the essential services in railways. And at Mangalore, around 100 employees were kept under quarantine instead of, and our railway minister as well as chairman railway board had declared that mentally or physically there should not be any trouble for these railway workers in this period. So whether attending the office or not, full salary to be given to all the railway employees to face the corona period. But unfortunately, in Palakkad division, at Mangalore and Mangalore Junction, around 53 employees are denied salary. In Salem division, around 135 employees were denied salary. In addition to that, in this corona period, railway administration had served show cause notice to 12 workers at Karur, 35 workers at Mangalore Junction, Mangalore Station, Central Station, and 3 employees were suspended, and the DRU's Mangalore branch president, who was trying to help the workers stranded at Mangalore by providing food from Calicut and Kannur, and who stood with the workers is served with the SF level. And also DRU is fighting for the rights of the workers, and we had demanded that stoppage for moratorium for Trichy and Chennai cooperative societies, and also special increment, and also like military service, Indian Railway service also to be opt for old statutory pension instead of new pension scheme like that implemented in our military sector. But unfortunately, our railway administration, some supervisors and some officers were compelling the workers to work like slaves without mask, gloves, sanitizer and essential items, and also without keeping the social distances. Now the condition is very horrible, especially majority of our railway line is in Tamil Nadu, and the corona cases had increased at Chennai, at Coimbatore and throughout Tamil Nadu, and the alarming situation prevailing at some parts of Karnataka, including Mangalore and Gujarat, Maharashtra and such states. So instead of healing the wounds, they are putting, some supervisors and officers are putting pepper on the wounds. That is the situation. So opposing the attitude and actions of such harassment on workers and the compulsion of the government to freeze 18 months DA, but the government is not ready to impose corporate tax or increase corporate tax, and in between the government had written off 68,000 crores. Those millionaires taken from our national banks. But nowadays also, the government is talking about the expenditure increased by implementing 7th Pay Commission. They are opening every sector behind the wall of Corona. That we cannot tolerate, and we should also observe unitedly the protest call given by our central trade unions, CITU, AITUC, HMS, and all the central trade unions. So, such unity is the need of the hour. On behalf of Dakshin Railway Employees Union, we request all the unions in railways and all the railway workers to protest, observing on 22nd, observing the social distance, holding the placards highlighting the anti-labor policies of the government, and beyond the king, the pujaris are implementing the king's dictatorship on the workers. Now the corona will end and our workers will have a chance to fight back together against such anti-labor policies. And I want such supervisors and officers who are, instead of giving strength to the workers, help to the workers, who are imposing charge sheets, show cause notices and punishments on the workers without observing the orders given by Chairman Railway Board, CPO and Senior DPO. I request the administration to pay salary for the 135 workers in Salem Division as well as 53 workers in Palghat Division, and we should be together without the difference of workers, class, whether workers or officers, against the corona, and we should be together fight against the atrocities imposed on the workers and including revenue department officers by the government of India. And DRE is always demanding to observe the directions given by the Home Ministry, Health Ministry, Chief Ministers of respective state governments, and our some officers are against such protection of workers' rights. So, on this 22nd, let us assemble 4 to 5 people in front of different railway offices, railway colonies, and if home quarantine, in the home also we will make a fighting Vedi against the fighting stage, against the anti-labor policies of the central government, and also the imposing of increasing work hours at different states, and also against the freezing of our DA for the next 18 months. My dear comrades, I, as a General Secretary of the Dakshin Railway Employees Union, appreciate the efforts taken by the workers of railways to run the trains smoothly and safely for the service of this country. I also appreciate the government officials in Health Ministry as well as Home Ministry and Chief Ministers of different states and railway officers, PCPO and some personal officers to keep up the initiatives taken by the central government to protect the protocol in railways, keeping the social distance and supplying essential wears like mask and gloves to the workers, and also honor the railway workers like military personnel by going back to the statutory pension, and we request the central government to withdraw the move to freeze the DA for 1.5 years, and we are ready to donate to the PM Care Fund and Chief Minister's Fund to help our workers, and around 14 crores of workers have lost their job and they are on the street. So, as patriotic citizens of this country, the trade unions and government will have a discussion. Then we will implement the nature of donations to be given in this emergency situation to fight corona. So, my brothers, sisters, all railwaymen and central government workers, we will fight together, and workers unity Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad.